Oh, yeah. What is it?
Oh, you can't tell?
Is it? Did you have us make a poop emoji?
I did.
Hey, what's up? My name's Vitaly. This is my friend Brandy.
Hi.
And we're over here at Pocket.watch Studios. What's this behind me? Brandy, you don't know what a LITE BRITE is? Roll the commercial.
Light bright, make a face to glow at night.
LITE BRITE, LITE BRITE, make a face and make it shine.
What are you?
Okay, so these are our pegs. These are the things that are going to be shining due to the light behind them. So these are filled with food coloring. This is just your standard water bottle. So we're just going to stick them into here, and we're going to make a bunch of cool little things like emojis and whatever we want to make out of these.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's get going. This does not look right.
Did you guys make this?
Yeah.
You seriously made this?
Yeah, it's our LITE BRITE.
This is so cool.
What do you think it is?
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a thumbs up for me. Wait, can I make one?
Last one.
The final one.
You ready?
This is the...
I was like, where is it going? Twist. Our powers combine. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is it?
Oh, you can't tell?
Is it? Jen, did you have us make a poop emoji?
I did.
Best
Maturity. I've never been more proud of my own poop. You might be number 2, but you're my number 1 friend.
Oh, there might be 2 of you, but you guys are my number ones.
You just took my joke.
That's Brandy, your turn.
Number 2.
Yeah! Do you guys want to name him something? Sir Toiletness the Second.
Oh.
We've made a giant LITE BRITE. We've made a poop emoji, a smiley face, and a thumbs up. Comment below what other things you'd like to see us make on our giant LITE BRITE. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Vitaly.
I'm Brandy. And I'm Jenna.
This is Pocket.watch Studios. LITE BRITE, LITE BRITE, make a face and make it shine.
Shine. I need to learn that.